Hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday, yes, Saturday, November the 6th, 2021, and I've told you we have no extra Sudokus, no additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Monday edition, yes, Monday, November the 1st, 2021, because the additional of the we have 3 days in a row with no additionals, so I have solved the Wednesday edition, the Tuesday edition, and now it's the Monday edition, yes. And the first puzzle I will do will be a letter Sudoku. We have 3 puzzles left: a letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and a tectonic one. So 3 puzzles to solve on this day, Saturday. And tomorrow, tomorrow I will do the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Not last Friday, but the week before, yes. Alright, so let's get started with this one, and this will be number 645, I believe, yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Well, not actually digits, letters. Those letters are the Y, the I, the L, the A, the P, the M, the E, the O, and the G, 9 letters. And for a 27 printed digits Sudoku, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, I need more time. 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve, yes. Well, so let's get started. All right, let's get started. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters. One of the missing letters is an I. We have an I there, so no I in these 3 boxes. And I, no I in those 3 boxes. So the I could be here, could be there. So we have a Y, so not a Y, the I in one of those 2 boxes in the 3rd row, I in the first row. So in the row between the 2nd row, the only place for the I should be there. O in the last column, O in the column, in that column. So the column between, the only place for the O should be there. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the L. We see here an L, so no L in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the L should be there. Then. Why? Alright, we have an O in this row, the O in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the O should be there. Okay. We have an L in this row, L in the second row. So third row, the only two places for the L should be here or there. You see there an L, no L there. L should be there. Alright. Mm-hmm. 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 Boop, 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 boop. And Y. Ain't no Y. Yeah. E. Yeah. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the L. We have an L here, no L there. So the L could be here, could be there. Yeah. So we have an L in one of those two boxes. In this row, L in that row. So the row will be 3 in the middle row. The only 3 places for the L should be here, here, or there. We see there an L, no L there. There an L, no L there. The only place for the L should be there. Alright. Okay. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the E and the P. We have an E and a P in this row, so no E and a P in these 2 boxes. The E and the P goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, E and the P. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here, and the P goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the G is missing and the M is missing. G and M, we have an M there, no M there. M should be here, and the G, no, we already have a G. We have the M is missing and the Y is missing. Yes, this should be on Y. Y, yeah, the YMCA. YMCA. Alright. So we have an M in this column, M in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the M should be here or there. You see there an M, no M there. M should be there. Alright. Okay. P and Y. 2 missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the P and the Y. P and the Y. We have a Y there, no Y there. Y should be here. And the P goes there. Alright. These 2 letters in this big square are the Y and the A. Y and A. Let me mark those. So 1 letter missing in the last column for the letter. The I is missing. Yeah, the I. Yeah, I in this column. I in the column next on the last column. The only place for the I should be there. Here. 3 missing letters in this big square. 1 of the missing letters is an I. We see here an I, no I in these 2 boxes, so the I should be there. And I've eliminated the L, so the L goes here. Okay, 1 missing letter in this big square for the letter A. Yes, A. 2 missing letters in this row for the letters E and the P. E and the P. EP, we have a P there, no P there. P should be here. And the E goes there. Then E and the G, A and the G. Alright, 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is P. We see here P, no P there. Here P, no P there. There P, no P in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the P. Should be there. Okay. Now. GG. GG. O, G, and the E. Okay. We have an L in the 3rd column, L in the 2nd column. So first column, the only 2 places for the L should be here or there. We see there now, no L there. L should be here. L in this row, L in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places for the L should be here, here, or there. We see there an L, no L there. Here an L, no L there. The only place for the L should be there. Alright. Alright. And all the L's are used, I can see. Letter number 1, letter L. Okay. Okay. P in this column, P in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the P should be here or there. We see there P, no P there. P should be there. Okay. Alright. Do we have all the P's? And all the P's are used, I can see. Letter number 2, letter P. Alright. Alright. Then. Okay. Let me see. How about the Y in the last row? Y in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the Y should be here or there. We see that Y, no Y there. Y should be there. Y in this column, Y in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the Y should be here or there. We see there Y, no Y there. Y should be there. Why? Okay. 2 missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the G is missing and the E is missing. E. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here. And the G goes there. Alright. Alright. Then we have a G in this row, G in the row below. So on the last row, the only 2 places for the G should be here or there. We see that G, no G there. G should be here. G in the 3rd column, G in the 2nd column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the G should be here or there. We see there G, no G there. G should be here. G in this row, first row, G in the 3rd row. So the row between, the only place for the G should be there. One letter is missing in the 2nd row for the letter O, and now we have solved the word. In Dutch, polygamy in English, yes, you know what it is, polygamy, yeah. with more women, you know, with more women. All right, let's continue with the puzzle. How about these two missing letters in the second column? For the letters Y and M. Y and M. We have an M there, so no M there. M should be here, and Y goes there. Now we have a Y here, so this box can't be Y anymore. That box should be a Y, and this box should be an A. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We have an A there, so no A in these two boxes. So one box left for the A should be there. So now we have 2 missing letters. The I is missing, and the E is missing. I and the E. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here, and the Y, I goes there. All right. 1 box left in this first column for the letter A. Yes, A, yes. A in this row, A in the last row. So the row B between. The only place for the A should be there. 1 box left. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the letters, O is missing. And the E is missing. O and the E. Well, we have an E there. No E there. E should be here. And the O goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. O is missing. And the M is missing. O and the M. We have an O there. No O there. O should be here. The O should be there. And the M should be here. All right. 2 missing letters in the last row. For the letters, E is missing. And the M is missing. E and the M. We have an E there. No E there. E should be here. And the M goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters, O is missing. And the letter I is missing. O and I. We have an O there. No O there. O should be here. And the I goes there. I in this column, I in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the I should be here or there. We see there, and I know I there. I should be there. A in this column, A in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the A should be there. A in this row, A in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the A should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number, not for the number, for the letter G. 2 final letters in this big square for the letters G and the M. We have a G there, no G there. G should be here, and the M goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Told you, between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a letter Sudoku. And I've solved this. And I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a Sudoku with 2 stars it will be. Until then, bye-bye for now.